Hi, we're here at Ethernet Expo, and I'm with industry veteran and Chief Operating Officer Jarrett Appleby of CoreSite. Jarrett, I wanted to ask you about your business model. Can you give us a little bit of overview of what CoreSite is focused on right now?
Stan, it's great to catch up with you again and just give you a quick update on CoreSite. The company's been around about 13 years, grew up as a real estate company and went IPO 2 years ago. And our business model is really about focusing on building data center campuses across North America to support and scale cloud and private networking solutions. And so we're really focused on 9 of the top 12 markets in North America right now, places like Los Angeles and the Bay Area and New York and Chicago, and working real hard to work with the networking and cloud community to build a home for the cloud, for hybrid, multi-cloud, and private networking solutions.
Well, certainly one of the messages that we've heard at Ethernet Expo is that the data center sits at the heart of the cloud revolution. What are you doing from CoreSite's perspective that's unique about driving growth of private or public cloud services?
Well, the company's scaled to about 750 customers today who are big demand users for performance-based applications. And it starts with networking options. So we have about 275 carriers, choices of IP and networking. That's like oxygen for the cloud. You need to be able to get in and out, take advantage of a host of networking options. We're fundamentally focused on bringing the leading cloud providers into our data centers and setting up service nodes, places where you can directly connect. And the most visible one, of course, has been Amazon Web Services. They've expanded in our New York campus and our LA campus, and this is a location where you can directly connect and get their kind of services. So we're looking at ways to support system integrator cloud deployments, private cloud deployments, and leveraging hybrid cloud, using the public cloud when you need it, but taking advantage of your own data and private clouds next door. And they all work together as a community. Cloud, public cloud, your private cloud, and of course, the networks to take advantage of.
Okay, now you mentioned Amazon. Can you give us an idea of a wider mix of companies that might be interested in the data center campus that you're building?
Well, it's a host. It's infrastructure as service providers like Amazon. It's the system integrator clouds, companies like CSC and HP who build their infrastructure as a service. It's managed service providers, companies like SunGard or Layered Tech or Logic Tech who kind of build a managed service on top of the cloud. It's storage providers like Box.net or Novonix, and even security providers, companies like Black Lotus. And so we're looking at ways to really scale the cloud and give you the tools to run secure, high-performance cloud environments.
How does this data center campus idea work differently from, say, a large data center?
Well, a great example would be One Wilshire campus in LA. You have the traditional telco hotel where 200 networks are. We run the meet me room and manage 13 floors on the facility. And that's the home where the networks come in. 12 blocks away at 900 North Alameda, we've tethered in with dark fiber an extension of the campus, which is a 30 megawatt facility. And you essentially can interconnect anywhere between the telco hotel and the networks and the cloud community and cloud providers on the campus. And that's really opened up the environment for all kinds of end users to take advantage of it. Content and digital media folks can take advantage of the cloud and the networking solutions, system integrators, and of course enterprise. So it really makes it very flexible, and it gives you all the ingredients that you can basically build your own environment and your own choice.
Okay, so I was going to ask you that question about flexibility. So it sounds like what you're able to do is scale with your customers a lot more in terms of the real estate, because you're not just confined to the data center itself.
And you can do a lot more with power. The old world is the telco hotel, and the networking had limitations on power. The new world has high density applications around storage, can be 4 to 5 times the power density of the traditional telco world.
Thanks, Jarrett. Appreciate it.
Really appreciate it, Stan. Good to see you again.
Bye.